Hello, you're very welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. If today is your first time of stopping by to my channel, hi, I am called Victoria. So in today's video, I would like to share with you guys this amazing mic. This is COMICA mic. It serves both your phone and camera. So if you're looking for affordable mic that can serve both your phone and your camera, I think this is the ideal one to go for. So the few times I've used it, it never disappointed me. So I thought to share with you guys. So sit down, relax and enjoy this video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're new here, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be a part of this beautiful family. On here, I mostly post cooking contents, but today I thought to share with you guys this amazing product because I thought you're gonna like it, right? So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and enjoy the rest of the video. So one thing I like about this mic is that it serves both phone and camera, and it comes with this beautiful noise cancellation, meaning that when you're recording, it's more likely to get rid of any unwanted noises, background noises and all that, those annoying noises that distract what you're saying. So it gets rid of it, kind of blocks it off. So that's one feature I like about this mic. And it is very affordable. So it has the option to set it at mono and stereo, and it is just plug and play. Okay, there's no so much setting there, just plug in and then play. It came with many accessory for your phones, for the camera, for charging. And the most interesting part of this mic is that it came with a charging case. If you're buying two mic, so it comes with a charging case, but if you opt for just one mic, it doesn't come with charging case. So so it depends on what your budget is. You can either go for the single ones or the dual one. So this is the dual one. It has two mic and one receiver. So if you opt for the dual one like this one here, it has all the accessories that you need, all the charger, the charging case, the bags, everything, all the accessories both for the camera and the phone. It has it. Like this one I'm showing now, it has a charging case and a bag, this beautiful bag as well. I don't think that if you're going for the single one that it comes with the charging case and the bag. I don't know. I don't think so. So that is another thing that I love about it. So you don't have to be littering your wires here and there or looking for your wires because you don't know where you kept them. So you just have to put everything in one bag. It has this beautiful case that it came with. So that's another thing I like about this. So guys, I would like you guys to enjoy this video, watch to the end, let me know what you think about this mic. How does it sound? Does it sound great? Just generally let me know what you think about the mic and the sound in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna play a background music for you guys as you keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Somebody might be looking for a mic that will serve both phone and camera. Just share the video, you never know who is gonna help. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, I'll be inserting the price of this item here on your screen. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed wherever you are and keep walking by faith.